Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Kia Optima side mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Next, make sure you have the correct replacement side mirror assembly for your specific Kia Optima model. Double-check that it matches the original in terms of features and color for a seamless fit. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool to avoid damage. Once the panel is off, locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. Finally, use your screwdriver to remove the 3 mounting bolts that hold the entire mirror assembly to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe for later. With the old mirror removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new side mirror assembly onto the door opening, aligning the bolt holes. Insert and tighten the 3 mounting bolts to secure it firmly in place. Then, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror, ensuring a snug and proper connection for all functions. Before reassembling, test the new mirror's functionality. Check that the power adjustments work correctly and that any integrated turn signals or heating elements are operational. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the interior door panel and all trim pieces, ensuring they snap back into place. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.